Welcome to the HR Learning Hub, where we decode HR concepts, dive into people analytics, and learn how to tell stories, not just share numbers. In this video series, we will learn to create performance review and rating dashboard. Whenever we talk about performance reviews, it's never just about numbers. It's about people, decisions, and sometimes disagreements. While we will learn to create a performance review and rating distribution dashboard, we will also look at data and ask some interesting questions. This dashboard doesn't just show ratings but help you as an HR ask better questions. Let's quickly get into the dashboard and what we will learn in this series. First graph is where we are comparing calibrated ratings versus bell curve ratings, assuming a 5-point rating scale. Second graph is where we are comparing what was the initial rating given by managers versus the calibrated rating changes done either by managers or by the leadership team. The third graph that we see over here is the tenure-wise distribution of the ratings. We can view all of these charts while actually doing departments or the manager-wise filter. If we select finance, we see some of these numbers being changed. Again, if we select the manager, we see different ratings. This is how we can create a dynamic dashboard. Now, why is this really important? This helps us understand if there is any specific department which is responsible for skewed ratings. Let's see finance. We see the rating to be quite matching the bell curve. Let's take sales. This seems to show a inflated rating. Now, this may not be necessarily wrong, but this helps us ask some important questions. If we look at Anthony as manager, we see there is a huge difference between the rating that has been given by manager and calibrated by leadership team. Either the manager is overrating or underrating the team. This can help us identify some trends across different managers. The third graph that we see over here is tenure-based rating distribution. We see there are two employees with 0 to 1 years of experience, but they are already getting a 5-point rating scale. Are these early hypos that the manager has identified? Is the question that needs to be asked. Another important data point could be identifying the early flight risk cases. Now, these are the employees who got rating the highest, which is 5. However, the NPS is less than 8. On paper, these are top performers, but disengaged. These can be burnt out cases or early flight risk cases. These are the employees where HR and manager need to have an open and honest conversation. These dashboards help you present numbers to leadership, but also ask important questions and act at appropriate time. In the next part, we will learn to create all of these dashboards and make it dynamic with these sliders. So stay tuned and subscribe the channel. If you would like me to create more such dashboards, let me know in comment section. And show support by liking, sharing, commenting, and subscribing. Bye bye for now. Until next time, keep learning.